What if your next project could easily solve a real world problem and get recognized by Google? Well, Google is back with the Solution Challenge 2026, and this is one of the biggest opportunities for student developers to build impactful projects using AI and Google technologies. So, if you're a college student in India, this hackathon could put your idea on national stage. So, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, I'll talk about the Solution Challenge 2026 by Google, all the steps, how to register, and what is the criteria, who can participate in detail. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video, and just subscribe the channel too. Now coming over here to the home page of the Solution Challenge. So what is the Solution Challenge? First of all, you need to know about it. So the Solution Challenge is all about building a project which helps to build and solve the real world problems using the Google developer technologies. You can use projects to build using Flutter, Firebase, Google and other Google related products, and just build something which will not only help people, but it will become a ease and just help to solve the real world problems. Now coming over here to the benefits section, so you can see why this makes a hackathon different. So you're building something with purpose which will have a real world impact on the nature environment. Okay, you'll be knowing about new technologies like using a Flutter, Firebase and working with different cloud products. You'll be learning to team up, you'll be forming a team and refining your solutions and building, just learning about the leadership and building something worthful. Apart from this, you'll be getting a chance to get mentored by Googlers and some people who are already the industry expert. Now coming over here, the roadmaps. So the registrations were live only from the 6th of March itself, and it will be ending very soon. So currently it is live. How to register will cover all things in detail. After that, from 13th of March, there will be prototype submission, and then on 29th of April, there will be prototype evaluation, and then top 100 teams will be filtered from the evaluation. Okay, after that there'll be live product hosting, and similarly there will be induction sessions and top 10, and there'll be finally a grand finale that will be virtually. You don't have to present anywhere offline, and you'll be eligible for getting the swags. Now here, who should participate in this event? So the participants must be at least 18 years of old, or maybe older age are also eligible, and must be enrolled into a college or university, because in the registration process they are asking a college ID. So you need to be a college student first of all, and here you have to form a team of 1 to 4 members. So mostly I think here you can participate individually also, because they have mentioned 1 to 4. Okay, not directly 2 to 4. So you can participate individually also, but if you form a team it will become easier to distribute the workload. And here if you participate, if you're thinking that you can participate in multiple teams, so it is not possible. If you are participating because they are having your ID proof, means college ID, you'll be banned if you try to create multiple accounts under different name and participate. Also, one team has to submit one project, so you cannot submit multiple projects because your teammates are more than one. Okay, now there will be prize pool worth 10 lakh rupees, and the winners will be getting distributed prizes among it. Apart from this, there will be some special category prizes, and they'll be giving you a problem statement. Okay, under which you have to work and just build a solution on it. Okay, so phase one, it will be depending on the solution, problem statement, solution overview, prototype, all the things, GitHub repository, all these things you have to submit. First of all, you have to submit the problem statement, which either they'll provide, mostly they provide only. You have to work on it and define the issue which your team is addressing. Okay, there'll be multiple problem statements shared by the team. You have to work on it. Okay, and then share how it will just help to fix the issue. After that, you have to explain the solution, that what you'll be building over here. Then you have to create a live MVP link demonstrating the core functionality of your prototype, means project. And then you have to share a deck means PPT. In simple words, you have to make a concise deck, mostly up to 4 to 5 slides or even less if it is preferable, that will include all the solution and their impact. After that, you have to share a GitHub repository which will contain all the codes for your project, and a short video explaining the demo the demo, you can say, you can explaining and doing a demo of your project. After that, top 100 people will be getting a chance to just refine their prototype, and mostly it is a next step. First of all, you have to pass the phase 1, and once you pass the phase 2, you'll be getting a chance to reach the grand finale. It's a filtering event. Okay, you'll be getting in the phase 2, you'll be getting access to cloud credits, APIs, and all things free of cost, because you have already been selected. And then you have to update the demo video, update the GitHub repository over there also. Now here, first of all, the criteria they have clearly mentioned that they will be evaluating based on the technical merit, user experience, and with the cost, alignment with the cost. So these are the marking scheme, and you can see all these things are there. They have clearly mentioned that phase 1 will include anyone can participate, and phase 2 will include the shortlisting phase. Means like in phase 1, if more than 1 lakh people have participated, they will just filter top 100 teams, and then the final 10 team will be reaching the grand finale. So this is the thing. Let's cover some of the FAQs. So the duration is from 6 March till last week of June, the hackathon duration. Okay, who are eligible? Anyone is open. Open means anyone can take part in it, but you must be a college student. Okay, and that too of India. Okay, so is registration fees? No, it's completely free of cost. All things are there. How many members we can have? Mostly I think it's 4. And then can we register solo? Yes, you can register solo, because I have already stated earlier. And who owns the IP? Means whatever projects you build, it will be participant or the participating company. So if you're participating, the complete right of your project will be with you only. Okay, so if you have any queries, you can reach out to the support team via this email. They will be able to guide you. Now how to register? Let's come over here. So you have to simply click on register over here, right? Once you click on register, here it asks your first of all, you have to just open your developer profile. So you have to click on this link, and then you have to just come over here, and then what you have to do, click on developer program. And from here, first of all, in case you don't have any Google account, you have to simply create it. And if you have, you have to simply click this link with your Google account directly, and then you have to follow as I have done. Okay, you have to sign in with your Google account over here, then go to developer account, then go to my profile, and from here you have to simply select the URL over here. In case it is asking to just create a URL, you can just create it and just paste it over here. Now from here, just copy this link, and from here just scroll down a bit, and here you have to add the URL also. I think so. They have not mentioned anything of, yes, here it is. So you have to add it. Now let's come to the everything one by one. First of all, you have to enter the name. Then second thing, you have to enter the email. One more important thing I wanted to share, the email which you are entering over here should match with your developer profile. So while registration in this event, make sure to check the email with which your developer profile is created, because both the email should match, because they'll be filtering the profiles also. Now you have to add your gender, date of birth, country, and then whether you're a college student, you have to enter your college name, college country, start date, end date, city, degree, specialization, and pass out. After that, your LinkedIn profile, and here you have to attach your college ID. Now after that, you have been referred by GDD on campus. You can type no also, there is not an issue. By that, you have to just check these two and just click on register. After that, all the details will be shared to you via your email, so you can stay tuned for that. And I hope it clears your doubt how to participate in this event. There are multiple events live on the channel. You can just explore the channel and just understand about it. So this was the quick thing I wanted to share. Make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video, and have a great day.